Looking for a delicious treat to bake? Blueberry crumble muffins are a perfect choice. This easy recipe will satisfy your sweet cravings. Let's dive into the world of baking these mouth-watering muffins. Let's get started with the crumble. Add all-purpose flour, cold butter, ground cinnamon, brown sugar, toasted oats, and toasted almonds into a Robot-Coupe blender. Blitz the crumble until the butter is about pea size. You don't want to over-blitz or the crumble will become a dough texture. The crumble is loose, but there are big and small clumps. That is what we are looking for. Put the crumble aside until ready to be used. Let's get started with the making of the muffin batter. Mix out the dry mix. Add all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt into a bowl. Whisk all the dry mix until well combined. Set the dry mix aside until ready to be used. Let's continue with the wet ingredients. Add melted butter, canola oil, sugar, brown sugar into a bowl. Whisk until everything is well incorporated. Add the egg and vanilla extract to the wet mixture. Continue mixing until the mixture is fully incorporated again. For the final wet ingredient, add in the buttermilk. Mix well. Add the dry mix into the wet mixture, but only half at a time. It will make mixing easier. Fold the dry mix into the wet mixture until there aren't any lumps or dry patches. Don't overmix or the muffin will be tough and gummy. Add the rest of the dry mix to the wet. Repeat the previous process of folding the dry into the wet mixture. Remember, do not overmix in order to achieve the best muffin texture. To scoop the batter into the muffin tin, I use this number 40 scoop. Align the muffin tins with some cupcake liners. Fill 1/3 of the muffin tin with batter. To evenly flatten out the batter, give the muffin tin a couple of good taps. Sprinkle a handful of crumbles on top of the batter. Additionally, add a small handful of blueberries on top of the crumble. You can use fresh or frozen blueberries. Fill another 1/3 of the muffins with batter, same as the bottom. Repeat tapping the muffin tins a couple of times. Let's finish it by adding another handful of blueberries on top. Lastly, add a handful of the remaining crumbles on top. Once the oven is preheated, it's time to bake the muffins. Bake the muffins for 12 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. After the 12 minutes, rotate the muffin tin 180 degrees. Continue baking for 12 more minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Muffins are done when the center springs back when lightly pressed. Carefully remove the muffins from the oven and set them down to cool. Let the muffins cool down for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Enjoy your muffins. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comments if you enjoyed this content. See you next time.